to get an invoice from Walmart. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get an invoice from your Walmart account. So generally Walmart send invoice along with the product that you have purchased from your Walmart account, but sometime by mistake if Walmart has forget to send the invoice along with your product that you have purchased from the official website of the Walmart, just simply log into your account after coming to the official website here on the walmart.com, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your account, all you have to do is just simply reach out to the customer help support of the Walmart center. Just simply click on the profile section right there, and over here just go to the account section from the menu. You will be able to see lots of different options. On the left hand side of the screen you will be able to see your account details. Just simply scroll down, and at the bottom of the screen you will be able to see the option called customer service. Just simply click on the help center from there, and over here just simply scroll down and click on chat with us, and after that the Walmart chatbot will open up for you. Over here you simply have to explain the Walmart chat support that you didn't receive the invoice for the order that you have purchased from your Walmart account, and the Walmart support team will definitely connect to you and help you regarding getting your invoice as soon as possible. So this is basically how you will be able to get an invoice from Walmart. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.